Today I'm going to show you how to see old Google Maps street views. This is incredibly useful if you want to see how a location looked in the past, whether you're tracking neighborhood changes, checking historical details, or just satisfying your curiosity about how places have evolved over time. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, you'll need to locate the Street View feature. Look toward the lower right corner of your screen, and you'll spot a small yellow human icon, often called Pegman. This little icon is your gateway into Street View mode. Now simply click and drag this yellow icon to any area on the map where you want to enter Street View. As you drag it around, you'll notice that roads and areas with available Street View coverage will highlight in blue. Drop the icon onto your desired location, and Google Maps will instantly switch you into Street View mode, showing you a panoramic view of that spot as if you're standing right there. Once you're in Street View, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see details about the location you're viewing, including the address and other relevant information. More importantly, you'll notice a date displayed. This date tells you when the current Street View image was captured. It's a small but crucial detail because it lets you know exactly what time period you're looking at. Right beside this date, you'll see an option that says "See More Dates." Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as it opens up a timeline of available imagery for that specific location. On the bottom of your screen, a slider or list will appear showing all the different dates when Google captured Street View images of this area. Browse through the available dates and choose the old Google Maps Street View you want to see. You can click on any date to instantly jump back in time and see how the location looked during that period. It's fascinating to watch buildings change, businesses come and go, or even see seasonal differences. However, keep in mind that not all locations have a list of dates available. Some areas may only have one Street View capture, especially in less frequently updated or remote locations. If you don't see the See More Dates option, it simply means Google only has one set of images for that spot. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access old Google Maps Street Views and travel back in time to see how locations have changed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.